I just picked up this little flashlight, the Bushnell Pro. It's 50 lumens. It takes one AAA battery, and they say it'll last for 2 hours 15 minutes, and with a standard beam of 32 meters, and will take an impact from a 2-meter drop and survive, hopefully. But I'm just gonna open it up, take a look at it, and I got it from Walmart for a pretty good price. I think it was about 15 bucks, something like that. And I've been meaning to get a small flashlight for everyday carry, so I figured I'd give this one a try. It's made out of aluminum. Let's put the battery in and see what it does. And you get a battery with it, so saves looking for one. I like the fact that it takes just one battery. I don't use a flashlight very often, in fact rarely at all, so I figure I got more chance of carrying one daily if it's a little one and not taking up too much room or weight. So this is 50 lumens. We'll give it a try in the dark later. It's too light at the moment. It's around the edge of the lens there. It's not quite serrated, but you could use it in a defense manner. Not that I would. I'd be carrying something a bit more useful than that, but if it's in your hand, you could, jab someone in the temple with that, and hopefully they'll leave you alone, go away. But there you go. It's quite a neat little flashlight, I think. It's pretty useful sort of power, I guess. Puts out quite a wide flood. So yeah, that'll do for me anyway. If you want more power, go for the 100 lumens, I guess. Peanut. Good boy.